Way to go, Wilson. Huh? Hold on, Mr. Squirrel. I'll save you. But if I go in there, I'll get all messy. Messy or not messy, a chugger's got to do what a chugger's got to do. Hop onto my coupler, Mr. Squirrel. Now hold on while I get us out of this mud. Like I always say, sometimes you got to go backwards to go forwards. Perfecto! Oh. Hey, wait! Whoa!
Chugga chugga chocolate.
Honking horns! Maybe they should call it red light, brown light. At least it's not as messy as the tub of sprinkles I bumped into yesterday. I'm still blowing sprinkles out of my horn.
I think you like getting messy as much as you like playing games.
That's not true.
Brewster's right. You get messy no matter what you're doing.
You're like a mess magnet.
I am not. I did? Yes!
I bet we win the next one.
Next one? Ooh! What is it? What is it? First, you'll need a car of your own.
Here, you can use mine.
I did it! Do I win? Not yet. To win this game, you have to get to the safari park before you're caught by the chasers.
And that's us.
Ready, set, go! Here come the chasers.
You'll never catch me!
Stop that jumping! Leave my wipers alone! I don't know where the food delivery is. It should have been here a long time ago.
I win! I beat the chasers! Yay, me!
Oh, thank goodness. You've really saved the day, trainee.
I did? Wait, what did you call me?
Trainee, of course.
Trainee? Me?
That's right. Maybe trainee in training.
Congratulations, Piper. You've made your very first delivery.
I did?
I did!
I'll take it from here. Thanks again for bringing the food. I don't think my wipers could have taken much more.
Happy to help. That was so much fun! What's our next job?
Your next job is to catch us. Huh?
You're the chaser!
Ready, set, go!
Estoy tan feliz! I'm so happy you are here, and I'm looking forward to an exciting competition.
Me too, Rosa. And may the best chugger win.
Go, Wilson! Go, Rosa!
Toss those rocks!
Hi!
Yes! This is awesome! I can't believe I've never done this before.
And I can't believe this is your first time! You're muy bueno! That means very good.
Oh, thanks!
Wow!
Eye of the chugger.
Oh!
Yeah!
Congratulations, Rosa. You're an amazing competitor.
Gracias, Wilson.
Tough break, Wilson.
You came so close. And that's the last event.
Well, I may not be the best at any one thing, but I guess I'm good at a lot of stuff. And it was so much fun. Woohoo! Let's go, Wilson!
And the final gold medal goes to our rock toss winner, Rosa. Before we conclude this year's Chugtastic Games, we'd like to give out a brand new medal, the MVC, the Most Valuable Chugger Award. It goes to the chugger that demonstrated the true spirit of the Chugtastic Games. Wilson! Yeah!
But I didn't win any of the events.
No, but you are the one chugger who competed in all the games, and you did it with a positive attitude.
Come
How did I mess that up?
Ty, you must learn to be calm when things do not go well.
Hanzo? Maybe you were right. Can you teach me that 3 ways thingy?
The 3 ways of the truck are not a thingy. Follow me if you seek the way. We will start with the first way of the truck, the way of breathing. When you grow impatient and frustrated, take a time out and find your calm center. Just breathe.
But what does this have to do with moving cargo?
Trust, and you will succeed.
But the crates!
Trust in the ways of the truck. Open your eyes.
Ah! How did I get up here? Whoa! Can't stop!
If you wish to regain control, you must find your balance.
I don't even know where to look.
Look within yourself. Be the balance you seek. That is the second way of the truck.
Okay, I can do this. First comes breathing. Then balance. I stopped.
You have found your balance.
Thank you, Hanzo. That was amazing.
How does he do that?
I have no idea.
Nicely done, Chugger.
When you got to get somewhere in a hurry and you're not sure how to get there, well, never worry, a friend can give you lots of great information and show you easy ways to find your destination. Just ask a friend. They love to help you find your way around, but then don't be shy. Ask again and again. You'll get the answer, just ask a friend. There's always things that we don't know, we're all learning every day. It's totally cool to say, I need some help. Your friends will help you find your way. Just ask a friend. They love to help you find your way around the bend. Don't be shy. Ask again and again. You'll get the answer, just ask a friend.
Oh, if those steel beams don't get here soon, this beautiful old bridge is gonna come down! Oh, what else could go wrong? Rattling rivets! I didn't really want to know!
Not this time. I just have to follow the yellow tracks. Oh no! The rain is washing away the paint! Okay, Ty, don't panic. The quarry is definitely that way. Or is it this way? I don't know which way to go. I know what I have to do.
Ty, what happened? That load's really urgent.
I know. I'm sorry.
What is it, Ty?
I don't really know my way around Chugginton yet.
Fixing rhino, lads and track. We are Chugginton. Watch out for the monkeys, that!
Oops, too late.
Gotcha! Wheels to the rails! Oh, big bumpers!
Sorry to keep you waiting. All aboard! Special delivery! Where'd you want it?
Oh no, I have to get Pete out of here before he wakes the rhino.
Put it over here, shall I? 3 loads of... Oh, now what was it? Frogs! I'll be there in 2 clickety-clicks.
This is a disaster. I've let a sleep riding chugger into the park.
We are Chugginton.
Under the light of the moon.
We are Chugginton. Stand by, I'll be finished soon.
Phew.
Oh, quality. Cracking job, Chugginton.
I'm so sorry. He's sleep riding. I couldn't stop him coming in.
Oh, not again. It's okay, Wilson. Anyway, we finished. The track's all fixed.
Yeah, we were about to head home. We'll help you with Pete.
Perfecto. If we can get him back to the depot, I think I might know a way to keep him safe. Okay, guide Pete towards me.